Lufthansa 5 to Uniform 0, radar contact, proceed, waypoint Delta Mike 452, 459er. Lufthansa 5 to Uniform, descend flight level 140. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, reduce 250 knots, descend flight level 110. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, reduce 220 knots. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, descend flight level 90, expect crossing traffic below. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, directly hello, expect 260. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, descend 5,000 feet, clear net 1013. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform to left heading 350. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, reduce speed 200. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform to left heading 290, cleared LS 26 left. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, no speed restrictions, connect tower 1205052. Lufthansa 5 Uniform with 270 degrees 7 up, runway 26 left, clear to left.
Lufthansa 5 Uniform, Servus, Taxi Sierra, 13 Sierra 7. Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, next left, then apron 121.7 cheese.
Lufthansa 5-3 Uniform, apron, hard taxi, 315 via Whiskey 2.